Today I'm cooking shepherd's pie for my Unofficial Harry Potter Cookbook, here on LCD. Got all my ingredients listed. This recipe gives you the option to choose between ground lamb or ground beef. I'm using ground beef. You're just going to cook the ground meat until it's all brown and crumbly. This recipe is from Chapter 7 of Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, where Harry eats his shepherd's pie without much appetite, dreading his upcoming detention with Professor Lockhart. One of my favorite books. Once the meat's done, you're going to go ahead and take it out, drain it, set it aside, and you're going to put some oil in the pan. Heat that oil, add your onions until they are brown. Once they're a nice golden brown, you're going to go ahead and add your garlic. And you're going to saute those together until they become fragrant. And then you're going to go ahead and add that meat mixture right back into the pan. Once that's all combined, you're going to sprinkle your flour over your meat mixture and stir it in. Then you're going to slowly pour in your chicken stock while continuing to stir. Then you're going to add your tomato paste, your chopped carrots, your salt, and your pepper. Raise the heat and bring that to a simmer and cook until the filling is thick and bubbling and the carrots have softened, about 15 minutes. Mine took a little longer than 15 minutes for my carrots to soften, so I continued to add in chicken stock. I boiled these potatoes until they were fork tender, added in my butter, my milk, my salt, and then just go ahead and mash them. I ended up adding a little more seasoning to this just because I like garlic in my mashed potatoes. All right, you're gonna go ahead and pour your meat mixture into a deep 9-inch baking dish. I will say here that they do suggest you put a baking sheet on the lowest rack in the oven to catch drips, because this did drip. You're gonna go ahead and spoon your mashed potatoes on top, and you can make peaks and swirls with the back of your spoon, or you can do a cross-stitch pattern with a fork. I could spread around mashed potatoes all day. It's like frosting a cake. This pie is done when it's bubbling around the edges and the potato crust turns a deep yellow. And there you have it, guys, Hogwarts shepherd's pie.